Hello, good morning, dear children. I hope you are fine and safe. Today, we are going to begin the next lesson, or periodic second, chapter 16, the tense. So, what is the meaning of tense? Actually, dear children, this is a very important lesson that we are going to start today. Why I say it is important? Because if we want to speak in English, good English, we should know the proper tense. If we don't know the proper tense, we won't be able to speak proper English. So, dear children, we have to learn the tenses. So, if we ask what is tense, in short, only one word they have given the definition: time. So, tense means time. Tense decides the time. So, tense, it has different types we have, that we will learn it, right? But what is the tense? If we speak about it, what is the tense? So, it decides a tense, time, right? It decides time. Which time? Whether it's a past or a present or in the future time. So, that's what mainly we are going to speak about in the tense. So, if we speak about a tense, there are plenty of types. We have 12 types, right? And we have 3 types: present, past and future. And each category we have 4 types: simple present, simple past, simple future, simple present continuous tense. So, we have like this, we have 12 tenses that I will tell you when the time comes, right? So, dear children, please take interest and learn tense. The tense, it is very, very important. If you like to speak good English, you have to learn the tense. So that I have told you to learn at least 5 verbs in a day. I hope you are learning it at home with English meaning. So, we have learned up to this class, before the class, we have learned how to make a 10 sentences and how to make a sentences, and what is the verbs, and what is the types of verbs. So, we have learned everything. So, today we are going to learn the tense, in which tense we have to use the verbs, right? So, here we go. The first, the tenses. It has 3 types: simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. When we speak about the tenses, we have 3 types: present, past and future. Present, past and future. So, present means what is happening right now, time, this time, what is happening this time. So, it is called present tense. What happened in the past time is called past tense. In future time, think about the time. In future, what will happen? That is called future tense. So today, dear children, we are going to learn only 3 things: simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. So, dear children, in all the tenses, it has its own rules and regulations. What we supposed to use, what we supposed not to use, and what are the syntax, how we have to form a sentence. Everything we have to learn everything. First, understand what is a tense. Tense means time of speaking. The time of speaking. Speaking means what we are speaking, whether we are speaking about the past activity, completed activity. I got up in the morning. So, morning I got up. So, that is completed activity. So, we say it as a past tense. We speak about simple past. I got up in the morning. So, we speak about simple past. And if we speak about present, what do I do now? I teach you, which means this time what I do, I teach. So, it comes under simple present tense, right? And what will I do? I will have breakfast, or I will have my lunch, or I will have my dinner, right? So, I will have, I will eat, I will sleep. In future, you are speaking about the future, upcoming. So that is called the future tense. So dear children, so here also we have an example, eat, okay. So you know what is the meaning of eat, okay, to have something. I eat means in simple present tense we say I eat. I eat. Right now I eat. Right? That is present. Right now it happens. And when we speak about the same sentence in past action, we say I ate. I ate. I mean I don't eat now. I finished my eating. Maybe in the morning or yesterday. So I ate. Clear? And when we speak about the future, I shall eat. I shall eat. So dear children, if you notice all these three sentences, you will understand. I eat. See the verb, it is change. It is eat, simple base form. And when we speak about here, I ate. So it is a verb 1. So past tense, okay, past form of the verb. And when we speak about here, again in the future, we speak about I shall eat. So this is, it comes under future tense. So it has its own rules and regulations. So dear children, please try to understand. So that I told you before, try to learn the verbs. Try to learn the verbs, at least 5 verbs in a day with meaning. Without meaning, if you learn, it is waste. So you have to learn with meaning 5 verbs in a day, so that we will understand how to change everything. Right? And when we speak about next one, so here we have some examples. Look at these pictures and study the sentences carefully. So let's read that. I play cricket daily. I play cricket daily. So dear children, I think the previous class I have given you some notes. If you study about the notes, you will be clear enough where we have to use the present tense. What are the situations we have to use the present tense. Please, if you don't study that, please read and come that, so that it will be easy for you now. Okay, fine. I play cricket daily. So it comes under routine activities. Routine activities. So we use present form. And next one, here the verb play speaks of an action which is done in the past present time, right? So I play, which means present time. Present means right now. I play cricket daily. Present time, I mean maybe he is playing today, he plays today, and he played yesterday, and he will play tomorrow also, regularly, weekly 7 days. So that he says daily. Routine activities and habitual activities, we have to use present form. Okay, and then that's what I say here. Here the verb play speaks of an action which is done in the present time. Okay, right now. Okay, what is happening? Hence, the verb play is said to be in a simple present tense. So that we know play 3 forms of tenses. If we speak about present and past and past participle form, here the play is in the base form, present form. So that we speak about this is a present form, present tense, right? And it is hence the verb play is said to be in the simple present tense. Okay, so that it says in the simple present tense. But and let's say about next example. Here we have I played cricket yesterday. I played cricket yesterday. Please, dear children, see this verb play and here the play. See, compare these 2 sentences. What is changing? Verb is changing. At least now you understand the importance of verb. Okay, now the verb is changing. I played cricket yesterday. I played cricket yesterday. Then what is the meaning? He played the cricket yesterday, not now. The action is not happening right now. This action is done already. The action is completed already. So we say I played cricket yesterday. So it is, the action is completed past, so that we say it's a past tense. Here the verb play speak of an action which was done in the past time, not this time, past time. So that we say yesterday, not daily, okay? Yesterday, last month, last year, 10 years before, or 1 month before, everything comes in the past action, okay? And then hence the verb play is said to be in the simple past tense. So that since the verb is in the past form, we say it as a simple past tense. Right, children? So sometimes verb decides the time, clear, and as well as auxiliary verb also will decide the tense, clear. So these are all very important. Please don't skip it. Listen the class and understand. Try to understand. Right. So this is called simple past tense. That is simple present tense, and this is simple past tense. Right. And here we have one more. This is called we speak about future tense. We speak about this is a future tense. I will or shall play cricket tomorrow. So in the previous slide we have seen I play cricket daily. Daily means every day. So it is coming under habitual action, daily action, routine action. In those times we have to speak about only simple form, okay? And then we spoke I played cricket yesterday. That is past action. So we spoke about completed action, past tense. And now we are going to speak about I will shall play cricket tomorrow. We are going to play cricket tomorrow, not today or in the past. So we are planning, which means that is called future tense. It is called future tense. So dear children, here we have, here the verb will or shall play denotes the action which will be done in the future time. Future time, that will be done in the future time, not now or in the past, okay? And hence the verb will or shall play is said to be in the simple future tense. So dear children, this is a simple present tense and simple past tense and simple future tense. This is very, very simple, dear children. So now we learned simple future and simple past and simple present, right? So this is called sometimes the auxiliary verb will or shall or helping verb will decide. We have separate, particular auxiliary verb and helping verb for each tenses. We will learn whenever we learn that particular tense, right? For the timing, we learn simple present tense and simple past tense and simple future tense. So this is called simple future, past and future present, right? So here we have an example. Thus there are three main tenses. As I said, there are three main tenses: present tense time, past tense time, and the future tense. As I said in the beginning of the class, there are main three tenses we have: present tense, past tense and future tense. As I said, all three tenses decides or denotes a particular time. So that we say it as tense. Tense means time. Try to understand? Tense means time, particular time. Whether it's a past time or a present time or the future time. So at least you understand that point, right? Yes, dear children, today we have started our lesson tense. Dear children, once again I tell you, this chapter is very, very important. If you want to speak in the proper tense and the proper English, you have to you have to learn the tense. Because if you don't know the proper tense, you cannot speak in good English. Try to keep that in your mind. So today we did not go fast. We did not learn anything very much. So today we learned the basic level of tense. Today we learned the basic level of tense. What is simple present tense? What is simple past tense? And what is simple future tense? With the example we have learned. So please revise it and read your book once again and you will try to understand, right? So take your time, sometimes you can take it and revise the chapter, learn, and if you don't understand, please watch once again. Thank you.